Hello and welcome to another episode of Premiere Bytes. Thank you very much for tuning in again. Today we are going to talk about the Røde and Stretch tool. This is a pretty amazing and time-saving tool. The Røde and Stretch tool, explained in short, lets you change a clip's speed and duration at the same time. When you look at the tool window, it is this icon here, or you can also just press R, that's the shortcut for it. So it's pretty easy to use. You go to the edge of your clip and you extend your clip to your desired duration. So instead of just elongating your clip, it will decrease the clip's speed and hence gives you a longer duration of the clip. And this also works vice versa. When you shorten the clip, it will increase the speed and hence gives you a shorter clip. And if we now play back our timeline, you can see that our chickens are now walking in slow-mo. The time interpolation of your clip depends on what you've chosen at the beginning, but you can change that at any times. And just to show you quickly how to choose time interpolation in advance, you right-click on your clip and then you can choose it from the menu. And now I'm demonstrating how it changes the clip speeds when we decrease the length of the clip. And as you can see, it increased the speed to 193%. And now the chickens are running fast. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope I could help you a bit. And if you liked it, leave a subscription, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much.